Welcome back to my channel once again, everybody. Into this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 websites that you can use to make money online as a writer. Even if you don't have any experience in writing, there are a lot of artificial intelligence tools out there that can help you to do writings. So these websites I'm going to be showing you, whether you have experience in writing or you don't have any experience in writing, you can actually use them for yourself. So after watching this video, you can jump on those websites and try them out. And whichever one that works for you, let me know in the comment section below. So the first on the list is Constant Content. Constant Content is a writing website that writers go to sign up and they create articles, they post it on the website for sale. And you are not allowed to use artificial intelligence to write those writings, but if you know how to use artificial intelligence for writing and how to modify the writings, you can actually use AI to write and nobody will know. So the payment method of this website is PayPal, and you can actually make up to like $200 in a week writing on the website. So jumping to the next website on the list. The second website on the list is Dot Writer. On Dot Writer also, you're going to be writing article and you're going to be selling it on the website. So the way this works is that you write the article and you're going to put the amount you want to sell the article on the website. But this particular one, you can use artificial intelligence. You are allowed to use AI to do the writings. So when you use ChatGPT or any other writing assistant tool that is available for you out there, when you use them to write, then you do the modification however you want to do it, then you paste the article for sale on the website. The minimum amount you can paste for one article is ranging from $15 above. So, and the way this website also pays through PayPal, so you can check that one out also. But mind you, you are going to do some English grammar test and a sample of work for you to be approved on the website. So that those are part of the screening process before you are actually accepted to write for people on the website. So jumping to the next one, which is the number 3. The third one on the list is Scripted.com. Scripted.com is also a writing website, but this one is different from the two I've mentioned earlier. This one, the way it works is that there is work on the website already. The owner of the website have already uploaded some work there. There are a lot of works you are going to find there when you sign up to be their writer. So all what you are just going to be doing is pick whichever works that you know you can work on, whichever tasks you can work on. There are lots of writing tasks there, so you just pick the one that you can work on, and after finishing the work, you are just going to get your payment, because there is nothing like bidding for work or finding clients or kind of stuff like that. And the way they pay is direct bank transfer. So their sign up process is also, when you sign up, you are going to do English grammar test and submit the work samples. You just have to test, maybe you can actually write. But this one doesn't also accept AI for writing. So if you don't have experience in writing and you want to be using artificial intelligence to write, it's a thing that you can use, but you know how to modify your writings so that it will not be detected by them that you actually use artificial intelligence to do the writings. I have a lot of writing videos on this channel that you can sign up to those websites also, because there are a lot of writing websites you have to sign up to before you could actually see one that's going to get you approved. It's not every time they are looking for writers, but if you sign up to like 10 writing websites and you follow the instruction of signing up to them, because sometimes you're not just going to get approved and you might feel like you're tired or something like that. But don't get tired. Sign up also like 10 of those websites, and I'm actually sure you are going to be getting at least 1 to 2 accounts to work on. So let me know if this video actually helped you, and whatever problem you are facing, let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I post this kind of video every single week. So see you in my next video.